possibly think of.
Now, I'm going to assume that you guys are all true diehard Backstreet Boy fans. We know everything already about the Backstreet Boys, so this is your chance to ask us stuff that you don't or been too scared to ever ask. But first, I need you guys to put your hands together for the man himself, Mr. Justin Segura.
Let these guys ask whatever they want. Oh, that's crazy, man. Really? That's crazy. Totally. Super crazy. Alright guys, you heard it. What's the question for the guy?
Hi guys, I'm Alexis. I've seriously loved you forever. And you gave me, I started singing because of you guys. So, and my question is, I know that you do a BSB cruise in America. Can you do a BSB cruise in Australia?
Yeah.
We started, man.
Because I was actually going to fly to America to come on this cruise. And I would be the only one.
Really?
Yeah. Because you'd be stuck on a boat with us and there's no way out.
Must love that.
Would you rather fly to the Mediterranean or fly to
Mediterranean. Maltese here, so.
Where do the cruises go out of? And where do they go around here?
From here,
Sydney,
you leave Sydney, you can do one up to the Sunshine Coast, which is like a 4-day. Oh, okay. They don't want to be stuck with us for 10 days.
You think like
10 days.
You think like 1,900 to 2,000 Australians would like to go with us?
I'll be the first one to go.
Well, I'll tell you what, we'll look into
3
it.
cruises next year. Cruise here. Oh, damn.
The next year will just be a tour of
We're gonna stop touring and just cruise.
We're gonna cruise for like a year. Get on that world boat.
And cruise down to UC, Don't be confused.
Go ahead, Justin.
Alright guys, on to another. Let's see.
Don't be scared. Justin, wait.
Justin, I'm trying to sing. Justin, I was singing, man. Damn, I'm trying to promote my solo shit.
Oh, that's what
You was coming around.
I didn't know what that was. I'm sorry.
I'm just
I
kidding.
couldn't really tell. Go ahead.
That was a joke.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Our name is Agustina and Denise, and we love you guys so much. I mean, we come from we come from a third world country where it's really hard to do anything, and this has been a dream for us since we were little. Anyway, whenever you guys are going back to Argentina very soon, and we wanted to know if there's any chance that you guys can sing for us a little bit of Nunca te haré llorar in Spanish.
I'll never break your heart.
We can.
You want to sing with us?
Yeah.
Hang on, let's make sure we start.
I got it.
So then the
Wait, are you gonna count it off?
Oh, you want to do that?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Sorry, it's not Australian.
It's an honor. I'm a huge fan for the LGBTQ community. And when we were doing the whole concept for the actual video, we all have, gay friends, we've had for the past 20 some odd years or even more. And now that marriage equality is finally starting to happen, we wanted to kind of push something. It's getting there slowly, but it's nice to actually be able to show that love. For me, back in the day, like if I would go through a really bad breakup, it would either be Brian McKnight or Boys to Men. Sad songs, so I'd sit and mope in my bed. Why did she leave me? But yeah.
I'm a huge fan of Prince, and all his music, all his up tempos especially, lifted me up when I was feeling down. So, and I studied his production and his songwriting, and it inspired me a lot.
It's funny, today we were here in Sydney at the hotel. I had flashbacks many years ago. I don't know if we were on one of our first tours where we were here on promo, but I had me and my girlfriend that I was dating she was from Germany because at the early days we used to spend a lot of time in Germany. And I remember the song, Tony Braxton, Unbreak My Heart. I was crying. So, baby. Not today. Sorry. It's Savage Garden. Yeah, that's Australian.
For me, it was probably Nirvana, which was strange because I was going through a lot of stuff during that time. Which is actually the reason why I grew my hair out like that, is because I wanted to look like her.
My first 45 that I bought was Cool in the Game. My aunt's dog chewed it up. But I used to listen to all their love songs, and I was young and nobody liked me, and so if I wasn't on the baseball field playing basketball, I would be singing like, cherish the love, we gotta cherish the love right I had big dreams for a little guy.
Awesome. Are you guys ready for the show tonight? Are we going to come down and take some pics with you?
It's good to be back in Sydney. Have a good time tonight. Yeah. What? Nick fall off the stage?
Brian.
Yeah, that's what it is.